Success is a habit, sure. But to pick up this habit, you have to have the right mindset. You can force things and hang on to your old mindset while adopting new habits, but these eventually wear off. Successful people do certain things consistently, and that's why they achieve a higher degree of success than most other people. But there's more to it than that. It's not just a matter of doing certain things over and over again given certain circumstances. When you adopt these success habits without changing your mindset, you eventually end up where you began. How come? You build your new habits on a faulty mental foundation. You had the wrong mindset. Your success habits eventually fall apart. Thankfully, you don't have to go through those heartbreaks and frustrations. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you are going to understand the importance of what you choose to believe. You will learn to reprogram yourself for success by adopting 8 key mindsets. You will understand certain limiting beliefs. You can begin to achieve consistent victory in all areas of your life. You are going to learn the process of clearing your mind of toxic beliefs. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Reprogram Your Mind for Success, 8 Mindsets That Lead to Consistent Victory. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Do a mental detox before you seek to adopt a success mindset. Assume that you can change. Failure is not to be feared, but prepared for. Goals reveal your objectives and empower you to achieve them. Actively take control. Decide after enough deliberation and stick to it. Believe that you don't know everything about your goals and must learn more. Believe and act like there is a way through any problem. Successful people relish calculated risks. Best practices when adopting a success mindset. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually start identifying and adopting the mindsets that can lead you to consistent victory. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to have the right mindset. You want to be mindful of what you choose to believe. You know that certain limiting beliefs can hold you back and drag you down from the success that you could have otherwise achieved. You want to have the chance to be in a better position to reprogram yourself for better success. You want to learn how to shape your emotional response to the things that are happening around you, your priorities, your values, and your life's direction. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Reprogram Your Mind for Success, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Reprogram Your Mind for Success, Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Reprogram Your Mind for Success Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to reprogram your mind for success, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you adopt the right mindset so you can get better results. I'll see you on the inside.